Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Klarna. We couldn't verify your details. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to know is that if your Klarna name is different from the information you have provided, then your details will not be verified. So let's say my Klarna has one name and the details that I provide, such as my passport or CNIC that has a different name, then the details will not be verified. So you're going to make sure that both of the informations that you provide in Klarna and as well as your own CNIC or passport, both of them should have the same credentials and the same details. So once you have fixed that, just add it and your issue will be resolved. But let's say if that doesn't work, then you gotta head over to settings and you gotta make sure that any VPN is disconnected. If VPN is connected, then the issue might occur. So you gotta simply toggle off your VPN status and check if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't help, then sometimes it might be a glitch. So you gotta head over to General, go to iPhone storage, and over here you gotta search for Klarna. And then you gotta click on Offload app. That will free up the space for you. So you gotta simply click on Offload app. It will not delete your data, just offload the application. That means it will clear the cache for you. Once done, you gotta simply click on Reinstall app. It will clear the cache and install Klarna on your device once again. So after going through these steps, your issue will be resolved. So that was basically how you can fix Klarna. We couldn't verify your details. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.